Alright, good afternoon everyone. I am here with Dr. Thomas Zimmerman. On campus, he is known as Dr. Z. Dr. Z, can you please tell me what do you do and where do you work in this establishment?
Yeah, good afternoon. I work with the Agriculture Experiment Station. I'm a research associate professor and also um, assistant director of the Agriculture Experiment Station of the University of the Virgin Islands. We are a land grant university, and part of our objective as a land grant is to also focus on agriculture. So we get federal money to focus on agriculture to assist farmers in some of the problems that are unique to the Virgin Islands.
If you could explain your sweet potato breeding project?
Yeah, I've been working on sweet potato breeding for about 5 years. The goal is to develop a better sweet potato for the Virgin Islands that has more bioflavonoids, more nutritious than the sweet potato mainly grown here or mainly consumed here is a red-skinned white sweet potato. Up in the States, they have the orange one, but there's also a purple one. And the purple one has bioflavonoids in it, so it'd be just like eating blueberries. So my goal is to work on breeding sweet potato, a better purple sweet potato and a better red-skinned white sweet potato. Sweet potato breeding is a couple things that are unique. First of all, sweet potato is a hexaploid, which means it has 6 sets of chromosomes, not diploid like we are, but it has 6 sets. So that makes it a little more interesting. You don't have just a big A, little a. You've got a whole bunch of A's and B's and C's and D's in there. And also, it's self-incompatible, so it cannot breed to itself. So you have to always cross it. You know when you've made a cross, because then it'll set seed, but it will not set seed on itself. So it's a lot easier to tell when you've been successful in crossing a sweet potato. Now the sweet potato is also in the morning glory family. It's the only genus or species in the morning glory family that has a tuberous root. Other ones just have a regular root system, a fibrous root system, where sweet potato has a storage root in it that is edible. And actually the whole sweet potato plant is edible. But the breeding part, being that it's a hexaploid, makes it a little more complex in the segregation. You can make the hybrid, but after you get the hybrid, when it starts segregating out the F2 population, you get a whole bunch of junk in there. So you can make a cross, and the other thing about when you make a cross in sweet potato, it only produces 1 up to 3 seeds. So you have to make a lot of crosses to get a lot of seeds in order to have a decent population of hybrid seedlings.
How long have you been breeding sweet potato?
I've been breeding sweet potato now for 5 years. We've grown a couple generations from the crosses and have made selections from, we had almost 200 seedlings the first year, and we're down to about 5 out of the 200 that we've selected. And the second group now that we've grown, we're down to about 12, but we're going to make selections again on those and keep weaning it down until we get the best of the best. So we're trying to get a better purple sweet potato that has a nice shape, smooth shape of the sweet potato. The other objective is it has to be weevil resistant. Weevils are a beetle type weevil that attacks sweet potatoes, eats the leaves, and it also can burrow through the stem and also can burrow into the tuberous root itself, lay eggs, and then you get little maggots in your sweet potato.
Do we have any official results so far, and how long do you believe this project will be going on for?
Yeah, we do have some unique results. We did crosses between the white flesh, orange flesh, and purple flesh. So we have some that are purple and a pretty decent shape to it. We have some that are a combination of purple and orange.